Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Miss Raga's Art Room. Alright, so we're working on perspective, and perspective is easiest to understand when we have a three-dimensional object to actually look at, to talk about the concept of right above the horizon line, below the horizon line, on the horizon line, and what we're seeing and trying to really picture and visualize that three-dimensional space. So, in order to help us understand these concepts, we're going to make this little paper box. So, please make sure you've got in front of you your paper cube sheet, something to write your name with, pen, pencil, whichever, pair of scissors, glue stick. First things first, before you do anything else, write your name. Okay, you would of course write your class period or your block, right? Block 1, 1A or class period 2, B, okay, you would write that out. Okay, so then you're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut along the solid lines only, and we're going to cut this cube out. Like I said, it's a visual aid. You're not graded on your cube, right? Good scissor skills. Remember, you kind of get the paper right into the mouth of the scissors. You know what I'm saying, right? You get it right into that mouth of the scissor, and you turn the paper, right? You stop cutting when you get to a point you want to turn. You turn that paper, not the cutting hand. Okay, nice smooth cuts right along the line. If the extra paper is getting in your way, just trim those little bits out as you go. Do you know what I mean? Like you just trim that little extra bit out. You don't worry about it. Okay, straight down the line. Excellent. Like I said, we're not worried about perfection of the box. My concern is that you get a relatively three-dimensional cube, okay, that we're going to be able to visualize these theoretical concepts we're talking about from two-point perspective. Okay, there we go. Again, the neater you trim the lines, though, the easier it's going to be to assemble your box. So good craftsmanship always in our classroom. Oops, missed the line a little bit there. Better. Again, right, I'm turning the paper, not turning my scissors. Okay, terrific. There's my trimmed out box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to fold on all these dotted lines. It does not matter whether the printed dotted line is on the outside of your box or the inside of your box. So you're going to fold every single dotted line. All right, so we cut the solid ones, now we fold all the dotted lines. And what's kind of neat about this is the box almost like starts to assemble itself, right? Like fold itself up. Nice tight creases, okay? Same with all the tabs, because this is how we're gonna assemble and hold the box together. Beautiful. Ladies and gents, you'll see me use my reference cube as I start drawing out our two-point perspective boxes in our draw along. All right, so you'll see this reference cube reappear in my video guide. Okay, there we go. So I've got all the tabs folded, I've got all the dotted lines folded, it's ready to go. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my glue stick, and you could, if you wanted to, you could be really fancy and like hide all these tabs on the inside if you wanted, but you don't have to. You can put the tabs on the outside or the inside, it's up to you, okay? What you're gonna do is just take a little bit of your glue stick, a little bit of glue, okay? And you're gonna do first, okay, the single tab end to end. I think this is the simplest way to assemble it. Single tab, end to end. Okay, and just give it a little pressure down. Okay, then pick one side that's gonna be our bottom that we're gonna fold either tabs outside or inside, it's up to you, it just matters where you put the glue. Okay, I'm gonna fold the tabs to the inside. But what you're going to do is put a little bit of glue from your glue stick on the tabs, inside or outside, just depends on wherever you're gluing them down. Okay, you're going to fold the tabs to the outside or to the inside of the box. You're just reaching in. And then finally, it's really tricky. You could try to glue the tabs down. I think the best thing to do at the top of the box is to just gently, you don't even have to use any glue, just kind of tuck it in. Okay, so one more time, I'm just kind of gently tucking the tabs of that box in. And voila! I've got a beautiful reference cube with my name on it that I'm ready to now use to help me guide myself through our 2-point perspective draw along. Awesome. All right, terrific. So meet me, ladies and gents, at the next video for actually drawing the perspective space. Thanks for joining me in the art room today. All right, take care. Bye-bye.